Good morning, students. In previous video, we have started with our chapter number 6, that is Riya's journey. In that, we saw Riya's train had reached up to Gandham station, and she found that the station was very beautiful. There were lighting all around and tall buildings, and she enjoyed from her mother's mobile phone, took pictures and videos to watch later. Now our train reached at one big station. Father also woke up. He told that Ahmedabad came. The atmosphere filled up by the noise of different hawkers. As they leave Gandham station, then the train started, and now the train reached up to one big station, which was the station. That station was Ahmedabad. Her father also woke up. He told that Ahmedabad came, and the atmosphere was filled up with noise. At the station came, as we know that Ahmedabad is big city. So we know that station is also very big, and it's surrounding by many people, and there was more noise on the station. So it was surrounded by noise of hawkers. Hawkers are those persons that they sell on the station like snakes, tea and all that. Some of the words are चाय गर्मा गर्म भजिया पूरी शाक कोल्ड वाटर बॉटल बनानास वड़ा पाव चीकू एप्पल. So students, whenever we go to train, we travel to train, we hear also noise. This the hawkers bring different things and they sell. And Ria's father says that the train will be at the station for 20 to 25 minutes. Father got down from the train to fill water bottle. I also went with him. So students, now we know who are the hawkers. Hawkers are the person who sell things on the station, and Ria's father says that the train is going to wait here to 20 to 25 minutes, and he goes to fill the water bottle. What Ria says that she also goes his with father to fill the water bottle. Now the train reached at Ahmedabad station, and it is going to wait there for 20 to 25 minutes. And now we will see next. The platform was crowded. Passengers were buying from the hawkers. There were many other trains at the platform. There were people with red uniform carrying load and running around. There was an important announcement on the mic. Now, what she says that the platform was very crowded with passengers. There were various trains on the platform also. There were very passengers buying something from the platform. And what were passengers doing? They were purchasing to eat something from hawkers. And many other trains on the platform. There were people with the red uniform. So student, when we go to a platform, we see that the people with red uniform carried luggage, and we call them coolie. And there was also important announcement on the mic. So there was some announcement that was given on the mic. Some passengers were waiting for their train. I was enjoying the scene. So, looking all these things, the Ria was enjoying very much. And some other passenger, they were waiting for their train. And we took bananas and chiku from hawkers and got into the train. And they had went to fill the water bottle and they purchased banana and chiku and got into the train. By the time the train started, we ate bananas and chiku and I went to the toilet. Now I was not feeling sleepy. I was having bored of snakes and ladders game. Himaksh, Fiona and I played snakes and ladders. Now, what happened by the time the train started? The train had started, they had done with banana and chiku, means they ate that banana and chiku. And she went to toilet. She was not feeling sleepy and she was tired, bored of playing snakes and ladder games with whom she used to play with Himaksh and Fiona. In the meantime, the train arrived at Nadyad, where Fiona had to get down. Now, what that after some time, the train arrived at which station? At Nadyad station, and this station Fiona had to get down. Fiona said bye to us, then I and Himaksh went to sleep. So Fiona left the station and they goodbye with each other and Ria and Himaksh went to sleep. So students, here we complete our chapter number 6, that is Ria's journey. Thank you.